Here you go. Let's make pan-fried tofu with seasoning sauce. In Korean, 두부부침양념장. 두부 is tofu. 두부 is in Korean, tofu. All of us know tofu is very healthy, but tofu by itself has almost no flavor. So this seasoning sauce is something. Taste is like very juicy because that seasoning sauce and also kind of a little crunchy. This is easiest among all the tofu recipe and easiest side dish and also all-time favorite. I always choose this kind of organic tofu and firm. You can choose also medium firm too. So let's open this. With this, we are going to make a nice amount of side dish. It's wrapped in the cotton cloth. You can use also, paper towel and dry out this. So this is size. Maybe I'm going to divide into maybe 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's turn on the heat. So medium-high heat. Dry out each piece. So easy. You don't need to add any salt or what because the seasoning sauce is salty. I use non-GMO vegetable oil. This is around 3 tablespoons. Swirl this pan. And then tofu. I'm going to cook for 5 minutes until the bottom part is a little crunchy. Then I'm going to flip them over. And again, maybe 4 to 5 minutes cooking. That's it, just the tofu part is done. Now, we gotta make a seasoning sauce. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 teaspoons gochugaru, hot pepper flakes. 1 clove garlic. And onion, just a little bit. So I'm going to turn down the heat to medium. You can check out, this should not be burned. So turn it over. About 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Later I'm making 된장찌개 with this. And I'm going to add just a little bit, half a teaspoon sugar. And sesame oil, generously. Green onion, so I'm using this amount. So I'm going to use half. Mix. Very delicious looking. Smells so good. So another 5 minutes later, let's see. See, both sides crunchy. Add this directly here. Crunchy guy first. Add it to your. So I turn off and sauce. I like to add lots of sauce. This onion is really nice. And more green onion. Look at that. Sesame seed, last touch. Very good. Okay, I'm showing you how to eat. Some of you guys, oh, how can I eat? What kind of side dish go well with together? You can serve with soup or stew and the kimchi or spinach side dish, other side dish together. But I'm just showing you how usually I eat this dish. I need like a small plate, individual plate, and I made rice. Look at this. Looks like a tofu steak. Rice. Very good. I all the time make this side dish. The good thing about Korean food is, as you know, so many side dishes. There are a lot of choice. So just all you can do is just make rice and you feel like eating something and side dish. Sometimes a protein, fish or meat or anything. Especially this dish it has all protein and also vegetables, some onion and green onion, garlic, and this flavor is very special. When you make this, you know. So today I showed you how to make pan-fried tofu with seasoning sauce. In Korean, 두부부침양념장. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.